All right, I bought this Bobcat T76. It's 2022, came out of Salina, Kansas, so they don't get a lot of real cold, harsh temperatures down there. Does not have a block heater. I picked up a block heater at my local Bobcat store here in Des Moines, and comes with good instructions, okay instructions, but this block heater goes on a lot of different models, so not all the models are the same engine, all that kind of stuff. It's a pretty cool concept. This block heater doesn't require you to drain any coolant, thread anything in. It's a real nice style, but all the videos I've watched from Bobcat and that other people have done was not on the T76 model, and basically I could not find where it was. I'll show you what I did. So here is the block heater. Basically just a clip style. That clip goes down when it goes into the hole. I'll show you that all that. This part goes, screw that together, and then you get the wires up. But let's go over here, and all the videos were kind of showing it somewhere back in here or over here. Basically, I took loose my filter housing. I think you probably should remove it. I just took out these two bolts here, moved them up, and it's over here on the left side of the engine, and there's a rubber plug. This is the rubber plug that I removed. I will show you the hole that it came out of. See if I can get you in here. Boy, that's tough to see. There's the hole right there with the little rust around the edge. You want to try to clean that up pretty good. It's just a cavity down in there, so take some compressed air, blow that out as good as you can, and you want that block heater to slide in there. You're not supposed to force it. So if in the instructions there is a deburring or tool that you can put in there and kind of clean up some of the corrosion slightly, you'll need a drill and a drill extension for that. So here's where it talks about having that little drill extension and cleaner guy there, putting that down into the hole, kind of sand the deal. You can pause it on this if you'd like. All right, so before we get this down in there, since it's kind of a tight spot, you'll probably want to connect the cord and your diode here, and just 2 and 2. I'm not sure there's a right way. Get them in there. And this is just a hand tighten. This is not something you need to cinch down on. Get that in there. And like I said before, remember this little pen clip goes down when we put that in there. Just like in the bedroom, you gotta find the hole. You gotta get more straight at it. So many dang wires and crap. Free here. Not the best view, but this is a side shot from the back of the engine, and you can see the clip there. And basically, I need to I don't have any corrosion holding me back. I need to get that clip pulled out so I can push it in all the way. And that's what I'm fighting, because there ain't no room. A screwdriver would be a better play here. Well, yes, no leverage. Okay, that felt good. felt good. Now I gotta kind of twisted it back. Yeah, that worked good. I don't feel any gap in there. Make sure it's seated down. Okay, looks good. As you can tell now, we are in. Clip is down. So now it's crucial to kind of back this up here. Get this thing to where it's not in the way. So what I will probably do is get my filter housing back. And like I said, you probably should remove this. Get my stuff out of there first. Probably should remove the filter housing, but I was able to just unplug it. And make sure to use your gold hammer. We're not pinching any wires. Like I said, when I started this video, I had this off, but you can just kind of reverse this. This is kind of what these gold icon ratchets from Harbor Freight are completely unnecessary, but why not? Still cheaper than Snap-on. Okay. Sure, you get these bad boys plugged back in like they're supposed to. Gotta hear the click. We're good. Everything's still attached there. I did not take that off. All right, let's see what we're working with here. As you can see, still there's no moving parts back here I should be too concerned about. This belt will be the one that I'm most worried about. I'm honestly kind of wondering if what Bobcat thinks about me extending this even further so I don't have to open the back door to plug it in, since we'll be plugging it in every day in the wintertime here in Iowa. So gotta have it work, gotta have it start even when it's -20 out. So I will show you the end result when I get her zip tied up. So it came with a couple of these zip ties, but it's got this zip tie in here too that came with it. Looks like it has a little clip, so I'm going to somehow get that open. Go try that. So I actually installed this back cover before I did this because I started playing around with this, and if I would have mounted this before I did that, it would have given me fits. So now I'm reevaluating where I want this to pop up here. I mean, I guess maybe it's just about as simple to kind of come over here. I got plenty of space over here instead of coming up on top of the engine. Get it away from the heat when it's summertime and running. So kind of come over here to my battery stuff here. I think I'll just zip tie her up right there. It's pretty straight shot, shouldn't be hurting anything. And I think we'll be set. All right, that's where I ended up just doing one zip tie there. I could probably put another one up there to make it a little cleaner. That. And boom, we've got ourselves a block heater. Now we will test it, but pretty dang simple, especially if you know what you're doing, and it would have taken me a lot less. Hopefully this video helps some of you guys. This is on a Bobcat T76. Very simple install. If it works, it's like 84 or 85 bucks for the part. And yeah, not too bad.